Today we are actually tearing down 810 West Avenue F. This house is known as the Quisenberry House. It was built at least in 1904 because we can date it back that far on the Sanborn maps, but we think it's probably actually older than that. Homes like this become such a problem. This home has had lots and lots of homeless issues, people breaking in. Obviously, starting fire in the kitchen was one of them, but we've had to secure this home multiple times in the time that we've owned it.
It's been a nuisance. We've had vagrants and teenagers in and out throughout the day. We've had so many police calls, and then there was a fire a couple years ago, so we're glad to see it go.
Once we determined that it was not salvageable, we decided what we would do is come back, build a home that is very similar to this in appearance, but with the modern updates that everybody's expecting. After that, we will list the home for low to moderate income buyers, and the buyers will be qualified through our department, and we'll finance the property for them. And we try and do anywhere between 5 and 7 a year. Vacant lots, empty houses, those are just horrible for a neighborhood.
I'm grateful for it because nothing else was happening with the property. The original owners just let it go because the family member passed away, and so we're glad to have the city take this program.